It is so beautiful out here. I'm out of breath. I ran up that hill like 4 times. You know I'm getting old, so. But I did it. I got it in. Look at there. So peaceful. Trying to stay in shape. Trying to be cute, but I'm out of breath. But yeah, guys. There's no one out here. So that's a good thing. Oh man, memories. This is the high school I went to. I want to walk back there. I see cars out here, so I don't know if I'm allowed or not, but I'm gonna go as far as I can. Okay. It's a track back here. It's one of the elementary schools. Let's see. I tell you. Memories. Okay, back there is the high school that I went to years ago. Back in 19, you know. And then there's the elementary. Oh, it's beautiful. Now I'm gonna head back this way before my friend comes looking for me and think I've been kidnapped. But then he'll say, all you gotta do is open your mouth. They'll bring you right back. I don't know what he mean by that. I feel some type of way. So beautiful. Yeah. So I hope you guys are staying active as much as possible while maintaining social distancing. Oh. Let me see what he's doing. I know he's wondering where I'm at. Look at this. It's a bit cloudy today, but it's still beautiful. Oh my goodness. So how are you guys staying active? What are you doing to keep yourself from being bored and pulling out your hair? Oh, there he is. Hey, babe. Hey, baby. Alright. I'll bring you guys back up in a minute. There's the baseball field that the kids be playing at. And this hill right here, I'll never forget. When I was a flag era, we'd have to run up and down this hill. Man, and the hot sun. Oh my God. Had to do what we had to do though. It was so much fun, and I thought I was cute too. Had my white boots on, my little short skirt. But running up this darn hill though, that's a whole different story. Oh my goodness. Those were the days. Were any of you guys cheerleaders or flag girls? Do you remember back in the day? Man, it's just so peaceful. See, now it doesn't look like anything. But back then, when we were younger, 16, 17, this hill was a monster. Alright, be right back. Get one more run in around the track. Alright guys, I got a couple of laps in. Ran around the track for a while. Walked around the track. Went to my old high school. Had my mask on. The pollen is still crazy. But I had to get out here and get some exercise in. It's so beautiful out here. It's kind of cloudy, but it's still beautiful. The sun's coming out just a little, peeping through the clouds. But yeah. I hope you guys are getting out here. Still staying fit, staying active while practicing social distancing. Yeah. Alright, see you in a minute. I'm still trying to get him to get on YouTube. He refused to be on camera. He's camera shy. But if you ever met him, he will have you crying. He's the funniest man you ever want to meet. Right, babe? See? You can't hear him, but he's there. That's my baby. Alright, well, I finished my walk for the day. Now get this. Now that I'm finishing my exercises, I'm going to get a pizza. A veggie pizza. I know, right? Alright, so you want to get there. I was on my way to the car, and a random thought just popped up in my head. I don't know where it came from. I don't even know why it popped up, but do you guys remember in school back in the day? For some of you, you got to think a little further back, such as myself, but anyway, remember in gym when they had us doing, what, the Shuttle Run, I think it was called? What was the purpose of that? I was confused back then as to why we were doing a Shuttle Run, and I'm just as confused today. What was the purpose of us running from one end to pick up an eraser, just to pick it up, to take it back to the other end and place it down? What was the purpose of that? I don't know. I think I'm going to recreate that, and maybe I'll get a better understanding. I don't know. I know it's a random thought. I'm gone for real this time, guys. Alright, guys, I am back. I know I told you I was going to try to recreate the Shuttle Run. Why? I don't know. Whose bright idea was this? I don't know. But like I said before, when I was in elementary, I was confused as to what was the purpose of the Shuttle Run. Why were we running down from one end to pick up an eraser just to bring it back to the other end? I was so confused. I'm still confused today. I don't know why I want to recreate it. Because it's been about 30, how long ago? 35
years.
35 years ago since I ran the Shuttle Run. You know, he's older than I am. See, he's older dirt.
That's a
Ignore
lie.
him. So anyway, I'm going to try it again.
You're a year older.
Whatever. So, oh guys, before I do this, we saw a pterodactyl. Right?
It's not a pterodactyl. It's probably somewhat of a form of a stork.
It was a pterodactyl. And it was attacking the ducks.
Get it right.
Okay, whatever. So anyway, guys, I'm getting ready to recreate the Shuttle Run, but before I do that, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. But let me go ahead and tell you now, I might pass out because I'm old as dirt, but I'm going to try for you guys. Why? Because I like you. So, remember to stay focused. Do not let fear consume you. Practice social distancing while continue to live your life, but remember to please practice social distancing. Alright guys, here goes nothing. We're going to set it.
Standby.
What'd you say?
Ambulance on standby.
He has an ambulance on standby. I don't know what that's supposed to mean, but we'll see. Alright guys, we're going to set it up. We'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm trying to do a little stretch.
Don't hurt yourself.
You told me not to hurt myself. We'll see. Alright, here goes nothing. So I just run down and grab one, bring it back, and grab the other.
Yes.
So I'm going to go.
5.
Oh, sorry.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh,
you didn't even hear me say go.
What? I thought you said go.
I did not say go.
He said go, guys.
No, I didn't.
Okay.
Play the tape back. Eventually, you'll hear it. I did not
whatever.
say go.
All right, come
All
on.
right, let's try it.
So you
5,
wait. You gonna say
4,
go?
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh.
Look at the leg. Look how slow she running. Oh, shucks.
Shut up.
You can tell that age picked up on that. Look at there. Look at there.
Whatever. Oh my God.
I bet she thought about this before she got ready to do this.
Oh my God. Woo. Yes, I'm out of breath.
That's just
all right,
one.
guys.
Wait a minute. Hold on. That's just
That
one
was
time.
twice. I got it both times. That's it.
That's one round.
All right, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be back. Okay. I did it. I'm out of breath. I must really love you guys. But I did it. Woo, woo. Yeah. Okay. Who am I kidding? I'm about to pass out. All right. Peace and blessings, guys. Hit that subscribe button. Subscribe button. I'm out of breath. You have what? He said he has the oxygen on standby. I think I did good. All right, bye.